Architecture essentially is incredibly collaborative. So we all have to sort of understand each other. We all have to see the same things.
And so by HP and Autodesk working together, we take the tools that are already in the people's hands that they know and love, and we blend those tools together to solve a problem. That workflow spans both our domains, and a single solution can only be made by us working together.
And we can make our customers more successful and happier if we work together. Create integrated solutions between us so that the software and the hardware works in such a fashion that all of our customers have the best experience possible.
And I see the collaboration as being an incredible opportunity for us jointly to give that industry what it needs, to be mobile, to have immediate access to information, make really good decisions.
I think some of the challenges that these folks have are they have these diverse workforces. They're distributed across disciplines, across the globe.
We have some local collaborators in Kazakhstan, we have engineers in London, and we have our facade consultants in New York.
And the challenges they have are sharing the information effectively with their colleagues. Somebody will make a revision to a document. Someone in another city won't have the right revision, but they'll be studying it and they'll think they're on the same page and they're not. What we've done is we've worked with Autodesk and we've made like a plug-in for the Autodesk suite so that through essentially what's the standard print process that they already know and are comfortable with, they can move an updated version of a print-ready file, go up into the ePrint and Share Center, where it's then held, and also their colleagues are notified that a new version of the document's ready. And then your colleagues can access the file, pull it down, and know that what's printed on their paper by an HP printer is exactly the same as what you have. It's a true digital duplicate. And that means there's no confusion about line width, font rendering, scaling, anything else. They literally are on the same page as you.
So one of the great things about the next generation of HP web-connected printers is the fact that when you print, you can also post it at the same time to share so that any of your team members anywhere in the world can access that in real time.
So getting everybody involved, that team involved from day one is critical. Thus, I think the exciting part of the web and social networks, professional networks, and having collaborative tools online so that everybody can contribute at every stage of that life cycle of the project is really a no-brainer. We have to do that to be more efficient.
1 year ago, you printed out a plan, you make your drawings, then you made a photograph of it, and then you send that back. Now, this kind of sharing information became way easier because the T3300 allows you to scan in the entire plan, not just a portion of it. So everyone has a clear picture. It's a very practical solution for how a project works on, because these annotations, they go on day by day by day in a project.
Recently I've been working with quite a few architects and people in the AEC industry where they need to work on an existing drawing. They have a bunch of pieces of paper that are all marked up and probably have coffee stains on them, and that is their documentation. So where do you go? How do you start? So now you can actually take those drawings and you can scan them into the latest HP printer, and then using a software product by Autodesk called Raster Design, you can take that raster image, and Raster Design is going to add some intelligence to it.
Basically every week for about 2 days, I'm on the plane. The mobile life has become something crucial to me in terms of how to work, especially how to get in contact with my office back home, make the workflow be still in motion.
HP is going to marry the ability to control printing from smartphones, and you'll be able to access ePrint and Share, see the documents that people have updated, the ones you're interested in. It's about viewing the repository of documents from your project in the ePrint and Share web service, being able to move those around, send people notes, and cause those documents to be printed on a nearby HP EMFP device wherever you are, whether you're in Dallas or Delhi.
I think that the idea to have a printing sharing device, actually a cloud printing server, is fantastic because you just can access these servers from your phone, review from your phone, and send it away from there. I always have the feeling that I'm still connected with the project, although I'm really far away somewhere out of the office.
We are really working on making it as easy as possible for everybody that has anything to do with that building as they move along the entire life cycle of a building. And anything we can do to make that easier is going to really make our AEC customers, the construction guys, the facilities managers, all much happier.
I think the whole bottom line with the ePrint and Share, the work we have with Autodesk and the coordination with the access from their suite of products and the EMFP is really, it's a productivity enhancer, and productivity equals money. So everyone involved with the program can get the information they need when they need it, where they need it, without worrying about it in advance, without planning to have the document there in advance. We'll be able to deliver that and keep them all literally on the same page with the right versions. Between HP and Autodesk, we had the resources and the technology base to make the solution.